F77 distress test. Go to menu, come down to super user, press OK, press the pin 1 2 3 4, press OK, come to distress test, press OK, press enable. Distress as enable, distress test button will blink. Press distress for 5 seconds. Leave it. Select the alias. Suppose we have to select KD Japan. Press OK. Then press handset. Distress test will process. Make sure that distress test button will blink. Once it is connected, make a call, transmit message, and then disconnect by using disconnect button. Finish. Now, second operation. For initiating the distress call by handset, first switch on the handset, allow tuning to NCS. After that, press distress button for at least 5 to 6 seconds. Once it stops, select alias. Suppose we will select Singapore here, and then select OK. After selecting alias, press handset button to make a distress call. Here the distress call is connected. After once it connects, disconnect the call. Finish. Now to make an RT call to post station. First, press automatic call code 00, then press the country code. Here we will call to Haldia. So for this, press 91 for country code. Then press the Haldia number by referring to LRS 1 or 5. 322 426 7755. Now press handset to call. Call will proceed. Once it connects, transfer the message to MRCC. Now here call is connected. Press disconnect to disconnect the call. Now the fourth operation of F77 to make a 2-digit priority call. For this, go to dial pad, press any 2-digit code. Suppose for here we will press 32 for call. For taking medical advice, we will press OK. We will not press the call handset. We will press OK. Then we will select the priority. This is the main important point, that we have to select the priority. After selecting the priority, make sure the priority call light should switch on. So then press OK. Then select alias. Suppose for here we will select Singapore. Then press call. Press OK to select this thing. Initiate the call to Singapore. Priority call light will blink. Once the call is connected, seek the medical advice and disconnect the call. It is connected, now disconnect the call. These are the only operations of F77. Finish. First switch on the main switch, then switch on the handset. After this, the first operation is to select the alias. For selecting the alias, pick up the handset. When you will pick up the handset, it will in on position. Then select the station code. For example, here suppose 306 for BSNL India, 210 for Singapore, 004 for Japan. Suppose we will select BSNL. So we will press 306 and then star. So here you can see alias is selected for 306. This is the first operation. Second operation. To check the current ocean area, so then press function, press 20, then enter. So here this is ocean region, Atlantic Ocean region east, so it is selected. Now to change the ocean area, then you have to exit Then after that, you have to when you have to change the ocean area, press function, press to 0, then press enter, then again press enter. Then here it will show select ocean region. For selecting the ocean region, you have to press drop down key. So here POR, IOR, AOR, E, AOR, W. Suppose we will have to select IOR 3. So for selecting, just go to IOR 3 and then press enter. You will see command accepted. This is finished. Now we will do the distress test. For doing distress test, press function, press 5, 6, press enter, then it will show test distress. After it will show test distress, you have to open the DMG cover, press the distress button for 5 seconds at least. After this, you have to press hash. Now see, distress test calling is proceeded. Now see, distress test is connected. So it is done. Now you have to disconnect it via this handset. Disconnect. Now the fourth operation is doing distress call. First switch on the main switch on the handset, wait to initialize. After that, you have to lift the handset. First lift the handset, then press DMG for 5 seconds at least. And then press hash. See, here LES 004 is selected. Distress calling is proceeded. Progressed. Now it is connected. Now disconnected. Okay. This is for side B operation. वो एडिट सेंड वो टेलेक्स में आ जाएगा. Side B telex. First, when you have to send a distress message which is auto generated, then make sure the side B is on. When side B is on, go to side B telex, open DMG cover, press DMG for 5 seconds. Then select alias, then press F8. Once it is transmitted, press F9 to disconnect. In side B, in distress side B, we have to press DMG button for 5 seconds, more than 5 seconds. After this, alias option will come. We have to select the alias. Here we suppose we will select BSNL India. Okay. After this, we press enter. Then it will start writing the message. Once MSG plus comes, then for incorporated message we have to press F8 and then clear call F9. When we have saved the message already, then we have to insert the file. Then insert, suppose any file we select like AAG, then we press enter, then the message will transmit. Once the message is finished, press F9 to clear the call. This is distress in SAT B telex. Once the message transferred, press F9 to clear the call. Now call is cleared. Now the second thing is for urgency and safety by using 2-digit codes. Then press E to edit send. Then edit a new message for any urgency safety. Suppose we type the message in full format. Here for example we will write only PAN. Then F10 to save. F10 to save. Then write the message name, press enter. After this it is saved. Now again go to E, go to send message. Now here you have to insert and then retrieve the message which you have saved already. Here this is the message, press OK. Now land station, press insert. For example we have to select BSNL India, enter. Prefix, again insert. Here we are taking, if for urgency we are taking medical advice, medical assistance, then 3238. If anything else, then we will select accordingly. Here suppose we have to take maritime assistance or just a medical assistance, then we will press enter. 38 will come. After that we have to press F10 to send. Press F10, it will message will transmit. Once it is sent, once it is 100%, then you clear the call.
सिंगापुर टू मुंबई इसमें से तुम किसी को जिसका तुमको नजदीक है जो तुमको टो करके लेके जाएगा जिन्हें आता है रूट में एटी पे तो कोई नहीं आता पर रूट पे नहीं आ रहा है इधर मंडपम को मन
The message is transmitted now. Now to clear the call, F9. If you want to know who are you, then F4. Suppose F4. Then it is medical assistance BSNL India, to which we are sending. If we press F5, then it will tell here is. This is the MMSI number of ours and the call sign. Now clear the call F9. It is cleared. Now finish the call. Now third is to send for contacting nearby ships via telephony. First go to the general details of power. Go to the ship you have to connect. Suppose we have to connect Gaida. So copy the SAD-B ID of Gaida ship 3636000980. Go to console, go to SAD-B, pick up the handset, press the international code 00, press 870. Now press SAD-B ID, which is for Gaida, it is 3636000980. Press hash. This will contact the nearby ships via telephone.
थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया ना चलो
Once the call is connected, transfer the message and disconnect the call by disconnecting. Finish. Now, some small points. Go to the console, go to the battery alarm. For battery checks, see the battery charger is on, AC main is on. For switch off the main, go to the off battery panel main feeder switchboard, go to off position. Now it will shift to DC source, DC status. So this, when we have to do the main failure, then we have to show it to the examiner. Now check charger is off, AC is off and DC is on power. After this,
okay, your time is
go to
1:04
battery and again on. Battery alarm will change. Now go to SSAS. For checking the SSAS, make sure the SATC is on. Go to SSAS for testing SATC. In SATC, the first operation is undesignated distress alert. So in this, first you have to switch on it, then you have to press O, Alt O, and then go to login and go to wherever region you are, press that region and press enter. Login will request it, and once the login is succeed, Indian Ocean will pop up here, or whichever region you want to.
It will come in printer also. Login request.
It will come in printer also. See, login requested, login succeeded to Indian Ocean. Now, for undesignated alert, press these both the buttons for 5 seconds. Once the counting stops, release the button. Alert is sent. Once the alert is sent, you have to verify it. You can verify it via 2 modes. First, check in printer. Printer will print. And second, go to the logs, Alt L. In transmit log, you will find your log details, whatever you have
The last.
in the last.
लेटेस्ट हमेशा लास्ट में चला जाता है. ट्रांसमिट लॉग.
For distress, it will not show.
Undesignated.
Undesignated for the message, it will show. Press escape to come out.
इसमें प्रिंटर में जाओ.
In printer, you can check. Distress alert is sent to ADS 301. Okay. Now, for distress alert, designated distress alert. For this, first you have to log in. After the login, you have to press Alt D. Go to distress. Select the land station which you have to send. Suppose here BSNL India. Enter. Go to the whichever, suppose collision. Press space bar to select the collision. Press OK. Enter. Enter. Then press these 2 buttons for 5 seconds. Alert is sent. Once alert sent, check in the printer that it is sent or not. See, now the third option is terminal editing option or store and forward option. So for this, press Alt F, go to new telex, type the message whatever you want to type, suppose Mayday relay or Mayday or urgency or safety. Then after this, you can save the file by pressing you have to directly transmit by pressing Alt T. Alt T transmit to, you have to select the station, select the number whatever you want to take. Suppose if you want to send Mayday, then maritime assistance. If urgency, medical advice, here we will take maritime assistance. Okay, press enter. After this, code will come. Then come to routine, non-routine or distress. Here, this is the priority, distress priority. So we will select the distress priority. Automatically search and rescue will come.
If there will be pan message, it will be selected
As
non-urgent.
non-urgent, because urgent option is not given. Request confirmation. Yes. Land station we have to select. BSNL India. Print. Yes. Other than this, check that it is ticked or not. Then OK, press enter. After this, alert is sent. See the above message, transmitting completed. The distress will acknowledged by this. Press escape to continue. Now this is finished. So in edit, here you don't have to save, you have to type the message and then again transmit the message. For EGC only, the fourth setting which we will do in SATC is for EGC only. Press Alt O, go to configuration, go to EGC, press enter, select EGC only, confirm EGC, yes. Then select the specific messages types, all these messages types or nav area, suppose nav area 8 you want to select. Here it is not coming, but generally it comes. Additional lab areas, okay, no issue. Go to safety net, yes. Postal warnings,
हम लोग 8 में है ना 08 आगे
पहले कौन सा किया था?
then NAM warnings, pilot service, sat nav, met warnings, TECA no, other fluid yes, ice report no, Lauren no, additional lab warnings, SAR yes, Omega no, no message no, met forecast yes. Okay, now see the change. It will show EGC only. Logout requested and then EGC only will come. If the examiner asks you to put in EGC mode only, then it will come to EGC only mode. Logout requested.
after that if we have to log in we have to first of all EGC only you have to remove yeah
See, now the EGC only came. Now if you have to log in it, then go to the options, go to the configuration, go to EGC and remove the EGC. EGC only, you can remove EGC only. Means if you remove it EGC only, then you can log in it and also these informations are also incorporated in it. EGC will also be there and login will also be there. By pressing EGC only, EGC will be there only, no login. Okay. Now you have to log in again. Go to option, login, option, login. Login requested. If you have not deselected the EGC only, then you cannot log in it.
सिर्फ कौन सा किया था तुमने उस समय?
चेन्नई टू बैंकॉक
एक जल्दी क्विक
SATC, cancel my EPUB alert. For this, first switch on the SATC, go to Alt A, log in to Indian Ocean. After that, type the message for me. This message to be typed for cancel alert. All these informations to be given. After this, go to transmit. Alt plus T. Enter. Into leave it. Go to distress. Space bar. Search and rescue will come automatically. After this, request confirmation. Print for land station. Select any land station. BSNL India suppose. Then OK. Then transmitting message. Once it is transmitted completed. Go to printer, check the print. It is the last message we have transmitted. Now the new message will print. Yeah, printed this. That's it.